Woke up, ate breakfast. Now time for some Autocross at Lanier Raceway for the AMP Autocross Time Attack Series. See what we can get into without trying to burn up too much today. It's going to be a hot one. But we should be able to do pretty good still. Y'all ready?
Yeah, if we push this car.
I'm gonna try to enjoy the AC as long as I can. But it's gonna be a super hot one today. But should be fun as usual, but trying to dodge the heat is gonna be the worst part. But I'm ready for it, I guess. Alrighty, pulled in and kind of got a couple things unloaded. Got the canopy, the community shade tree over there. Everybody huddles around. Hopefully that'll help us a little bit today. A few cars already. Drivers meeting should be any minute now, so there's the man right there. Get this thing started and try to see what competition we got today. Excited. Hopefully go smooth. The track looks pretty good from the aerial view. We'll go out there and check it out in a minute, but should be pretty fun. Looks fast and tight in sections as well, so see what the Can-Am can do today. See if we can come out with the fastest time of the day this time. So give it a shot and get to racing. Got the scouting lap. See what the track looks like. This good. Get some good speed right here. Hopefully it's not super tight in places, but I have a feeling there's going to be a tight section. So try not to hit any cones today. Is a lot shorter than last time. Just trying to make everything go by a little faster. Still a pretty good group of cars. That's a pretty tight section right there. 90-degree turn out here at the finish line. because I'm considered an off-road vehicle. Better.
See ya.
Dang, same time as. Got the win, got a second and third place. Nice. Well, all loaded up, headed out. I'm about to head home and have a safe trip home and probably grab something to eat on the way. But we're out of here and super fun course this time, and got fastest of the day that wasn't a Tesla. So Tesla got us a little bit, but last couple runs didn't have any brakes, so didn't get to push it as hard as I wanted. But it was a hot one. Luckily I got my handy dandy fan and canopy, saved a lot of heat. So, but we'll do it again, and had a good crew. So headed home, and it was a good day. Just glad I'm in the AC now. It's always a fun time here. I need to be across the road in a little bit doing the big road course, Road Atlanta. Can-Am did good as usual, no complaints. On the road, on the way home. Glad I'm in the AC, and I'm gonna go grab something to eat. Have a safe trip. Appreciate it. Like and subscribe, please. Thank you.